group because I'm giving Selaf his headpiece back. It's better for him in the long run.
Okay.
So yeah. I mean, he still won the role. So it should have been him, I guess. In the first place, he just didn't say anything.
I gave it to him, I'm pretty sure.
For somebody,
Yeah, then he gave it to me, and now I'm giving it back to him.
Okay, Gintoki.
Because we are all nice like that,
We are so nice.
Yeah. Most wholesome guild ever.
Imagine you gave anything, like even a 8-slot bag to Blonda, you would never see it again back.
To be honest, when I get upgrades for bag, I usually just yell, looking for new players, 3 bags, and I just give them away.
Yeah.
I have given away so many bags.
That's such a paladin thing to do. Helping the weak. And the poor.
And Nazi passed Zuka the chest and he's 7 out of 8 now.
Dude, I need 2 more pieces. To be 6 out of 8. I mean, what 7 out of 8? Do you even need 7 out of 8?
He has 7, I don't know.
That's kind of not good move.
I mean, he passed the chest.
I mean, is he 6 out of 8?
He's 7. But he passed the chest to Zuka.
Zuka gave to Nazi.
No, Nazi won. He won it and he passed.
Why?
Because he kept winning all the tokens. What do you mean, why?
Yeah, but why, if you don't have 6 piece, why would you give away something that to a guy that already has 6 piece?
No, you got
it's kind of
confused.
stupid, no?
Nazi had everything and he just passed the chest. He passed the chest.
But does he have 6 piece?
Yes, he has. He has 7.
Okay, I mean, if he has 6 piece, then it's fine.
He has 7.
And Zuka has 7.
I don't know what Zuka has.
Oh, Nazi has 7. That's why he passed the chest. That's good. I thought he passed the chest to a guy who already has 7 pieces. And I said, what the fuck? That's retarded. Why would you do that?
He passed to Zuka. That's what I mean.
Okay, I understand. Now I understand.
Damn. Ooh, wow.
Dude, stream. Who is streaming?
Damn.
No one is streaming.
No way. Here, I'll stream.
Please.
So many streamers.
Nice. Kneel in front of Fire Kitty. Nice. Bear form changes too, or only cat?
Bear
oh my
form
god.
If Melky gets it, he's gonna be an ugly bear.
That's so disgusting. Go back to cat form.
Go to cat to make a picture.
Go back to cat form. You are ruining the stream.
Okay, this is it.
Okay, this is much better.
I got the picture. I'm posting the picture. Let's wake up everyone.